this is where I had a massive brain fart. I didn't press record, so I missed all of making them. But basically you get all these ingredients, obviously minced lambs, all the bits and pieces, and you basically mix them all up in a big bowl. And then some were made with like a burger press, and some were shaped into like a kofta. That is it. We had some for a meal, and then the rest were cooked and then put into the freezer, ready for when we have a barbecue. So enjoy watching. Thanks. These turned out really tasty, so thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, bye.